Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope every student will be fine at home. Dear students, today we'll move towards one more topic of your grammar, and it is now narration. Narration is a very easy topic because you have already read this narration when you were reading in class 8th. Now today I'll tell you some more rules and I'll give you some more examples which actually you read or which actually you learned when you were reading in 8th class. Actually, the word, first we will look at the word narration. What does it mean? Narration means to narrate something, to say something. There are ways of saying. There are ways of narrating. Sometimes we narrate direct words. Sometimes we narrate that speech indirectly. This narrating, this saying of words directly, or this expression of words directly and indirectly, is actually called narration. What is the difference between direct narration and indirect narration? आपके एग्जाम में आता क्या है, and how you will convert an indirect narration into direct and direct narration into indirect. What are all the rules I'll tell you in further classes, and some rules I'll tell you today. Basically, you will look at direct and indirect first. See, dear students, what we do when we use direct narration, or when we rather write this direct narration, we put this direct narration in between the inverted commas, or you can call them quotation marks like this. These are called quotation marks. Quotation marks or inverted commas. You put these actual words in between these inverted commas, and that will be called direct narration. Indirect narration में आप क्या करते हो? You do not use the actual words of the speaker. When you put the sentence in between these inverted commas, actually you are writing the actual words of the speaker. When you remove these inverted commas, these quotation marks, what you do? You are not expressing the actual words of the speaker, and your statement or that sentence becomes indirect narration. I will give you an example, and just after give you an example, I hope you will understand it fully. This is direct narration. और indirect narration में आप क्या करते हो बेटा? Indirect narration में आप inverted commas use नहीं करते हो. Indirect narration में बेटा आप you do not write the actual words, and you do not put the sentence in between these quotation marks or inverted commas. See, look at the board and I'll give you an example. I say, for example, he said, comma, inverted commas begin. I am ill. Very easy example, very easy sentence. You can understand it within no time. He said, comma, yaad rakhna, punctuation marks. Inverted commas begin. I am ill, inverted commas close. This is direct narration because we put actual words in between these quotation marks or inverted commas. So this part of the sentence will be called direct narration. Direct. Direct narration. This part of the sentence is called reporting verb. याद रखना. क्योंकि इसके साथ भी हमारा गहरा ताल्लुक होता है while changing or converting these narrations from direct to indirect or from indirect sometimes to direct. Reporting verb. ये reporting verb की तरफ आप देखोगे. He said, ये quotation comma से बाहर होता है, इसको बोलते हैं reporting verb. He said किस tense में है? That's why I said कि ग्रामर का कोई टॉपिक पढ़ने के लिए tense is very important. That's why I focused in my first grammatical lecture on tense. You cannot understand anything, nor active voice, passive voice, that voices topic. You cannot understand even narration if you haven't knowledge of tense. Because tense plays a vital role in almost all the topics of grammar. So it is the base of the grammar, tense. That's why I again request to you, in other words I can say, suggest to you to go for the tenses. Again, read them. If you have any issue, do ask me by dialing my number. He said. Said is the second form of say. It is past tense. Past simple rather. Past simple. बेटा अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में होता है तो इसके टेंस में असर पड़ता है while converting him from direct to into indirect. डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट करें, इसके टेंस को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, कॉरस्पोंडेंस चेंज आएगी. वो क्या होता है? अगर ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल होगा तो ये पास्ट सिंपल में चेंज होगा. अगर ये पास्ट सिंपल होगा तो ये पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज होगा. ये थोड़ा पीछे जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो बेटा, इस वक्त प्रेजेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रेजेंट, अगर ये प्रेजेंट ये पीछे जाएगा पास्ट में. देखो मैं गया ना पीछे पास्ट. अगर ये पास्ट में होगा पास्ट सिंपल तो ये और पीछे जाएगा पास्ट परफेक्ट. ही सेड रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, पास्ट टेंस है, इसके टेंस में चेंज हुई. पहले हम देखेंगे ये खुद इस वक्त किस में है. आई एम इल, एम प्रेजेंट दिखाता है, सो प्रेजेंट सिंपल. मैं लिखता हूं प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. ये बेटा है प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. He said I am ill. I am ill, direct speech, and we are now supposed to change it into indirect. What we will do? We said we will write he said. In order to remove these commas, quotation marks and this comma, we use the word that. You will remember it. That हम word use करेंगे. Only if the sentence is other than an interrogative sentence. अगर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा, ये इसमें क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो that हम यूज करेंगे. अगर ये क्वेश्चन होता, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता, तो क्या वो मैं उसी वक्त बोलूंगा जब मैं आपको उसकी एग्जांपल दूंगा. फिलहाल आप ये याद रखोगे, इफ इट इज नॉट an interrogative sentence, most of the times in order to remove these commas we take help from the word that to convert it into indirect speech. He said that, तो मैं भी that लिखता हूं. that से क्या हुआ, हमारे commas फिलहाल रिमूव हो गई. I am ill, present simple, and we convert present simple into past simple in order to write them into indirect speech. I am ill. बेटा ये I भी चेंज होगा, ये प्रोनाउंस चेंज होता है. कौन किस में चेंज होता है मैं आपको लिस्ट सेंड करूंगा. Just after this video, after watching the video, you will see the list. अगर I ये he में भी चेंज होता है, she में भी. इनफैक्ट रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब किसकी तरफ रेफर करता है ये उसी में चेंज होता है. और भी कुछ चेंज होंगे, that you will look at the list and you will find them. He said, ये I he है ना, इसलिए ये he में हो गया I. He said that he, am का आएगा, was, he was ill. He said that he was ill, convert हुआ indirect narration में. डायरेक्ट ये क्या था, he said I am ill. I am ill चेंज हुआ he was ill. ये आप बेटा याद रखोगे. अगर ये वहीं से यहां पे आपको एक और इंफॉर्मेशन मिली कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल चेंज हुआ पास्ट सिंपल में. अगर ये वहीं से पास्ट सिंपल होता तब क्या होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ये होता he said he said, I was ill. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, I was ill, for example. तब क्या होता है? पहले बोला प्रेजेंट होता है पास्ट में, और अगर पास्ट सिंपल होगा तब वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में. इजी है. He said I was ill, पास्ट सिंपल है. ये किस में चेंज होगा? पास्ट परफेक्ट में. He said that, ये रूल वही है बेटा. He said that he had been ill. That's it. He had been ill. क्योंकि पास्ट परफेक्ट का स्ट्रेस क्या है? हैड प्लस V3. वॉज, सी इट इज एक्चुअली एम. देखो ये एम है पहली फॉर्म, इसकी पास्ट आती है वॉज, और इसका पास्ट परफेक्ट थर्ड फॉर्म बनता है बेटा बीन. पास्ट परफेक्ट में हम ऑक्सिलरी यूज करते हैं हैड, अगला हैड, और एम या वॉज का वो थर्ड फॉर्म जो है ना वो है बीन. ही सेड दैट ही हैड बीन इल इज now in past perfect tense, this part of the sentence. I hope you understand it. Now look, अगर ये बेटा वो present continuous में होगा तब भी बेटा यही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई. अगर ये present continuous है तो ये बन जाएगा past continuous. अगर ये past continuous है तब ये बन जाएगा past perfect continuous. बस ये रूल फिलहाल इस के लिए यहां तक के लिए इतना ही है, और भी आगे रूल्स वो मैं आपको दूंगा. पहले आप एक सेंटेंस देखो. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, I am writing. He said that I am writing a letter, for example. Commas close. I am writing a letter, present continuous है, very easy. He said, कैसे चेंज होगा? He said, comma, so commas, in order to remove these commas you will take help from the word that. Actual, good, nice. He said that I am writing a letter, present continuous ये होगा past continuous में, very easy. He was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. अगर बेटा ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में ही होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही सेड आई वॉज राइटिंग ए लेटर, वही रूल पास्ट परफेक्ट. ही सेड दैट ही हैड बीन राइटिंग ए लेटर. आई होप ये 1, 2, 3 एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने दिए रिलेटिंग दिस नरेशन, हाउ टू चेंज डायरेक्ट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फ्यूज. आई विल सेंड यू more sentences like this, and I hope you will be able to convert those direct narration sentences into indirect by yourself. When I will send you, you will send me your answers on my personal WhatsApp number. I hope you will do them easily. If you face any problem, you will call me. Thank you very much for the day.